Dream coding dark mode. Python conditionals. Temperature equals 68. If temperature less than 60 : new line 4 spaces print open parenthesis quote cool quote close parenthesis. If temperature greater than or equal to 60 and temperature less than 80 : new line 4 spaces print open parenthesis quote comfortable quote close parenthesis. If temperature greater than or equal to 80 : new line 4 spaces print open parenthesis quote warm quote close parenthesis. Is raining equals false. If not is raining : new line 4 spaces print open parenthesis quote take a walk quote close parenthesis. Score equals 92. Grade equals quote capital quote if score greater than or equal to 90, else quote keep practicing quote. Name equals quote Luna quote. If name new line 4 spaces message equals quote hello quote. Print open parenthesis grade close parenthesis. Print open parenthesis quote conditionals resting quote close parenthesis. Dream coding dark mode. Sweet dreams, and don't let the code bugs bite.